and welcome back to Buggy's Boxes. Today we have Geek Fuel that we will be opening up. Here's the inside. Let's see. What do we have today? The Geek Fuel magazine featuring Wonder Woman and Space Invasion. Then we have a little rocket Beanie Baby from Funko. Mopies plush. I do collect stuffed animals and I do love Guardians of the Galaxy, so this is pretty exciting. The first exciting thing I've gotten from Geek Fuel in months. That is not for you, Jackie. Then we have our t-shirt. Space Invaders. Alright, well that's not a fandom since 1978, it says. I don't know. But we'll see. Then we have Super Mario Kart pin. It's another one of these stupid little tank things, and I really wish they'd stop sending me tank things. I mean, I even like Super Mario Brothers, and I think that's cool, or would be cool, if it weren't a fucking tank. It'll still go on the wall, however. This says Marvel on it. I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. The Amazing Spider-Man. Alright, well, we like Spider-Man, so that's cool. I guess it can go up somewhere. Then we have our usual video game that I will never download and will, I guess, give to my husband. This one's for a game called Deponia. It would be nice if they would just give you $10 at Steam rather than these specific games, but whatever. And then there is something in a silver thing that says Blast from the Past. And it is a book. The Sports Almanac Complete Sports Statistics 1950 to 2000, including baseball, football, boxing, horse racing, and more. That's kind of cool. I don't know if that'll... Oh, it's not that at all. It's blank paper. So, I have no idea. What? My husband says dibs, so we'll probably give that to him. So now that we've gotten to the bottom of the box, we find out that the theme of the box was Space Invaders. And that's all we have. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time on the next episode of Buggy's Boxes.